Hi everyone, it's Yoselyn with Remax Realty Team. I just want to personally invite you to our annual business planning session. It's going to be held at the Westin Hotel on November 8th. It's an all-day event from 8 to 5. We're going to be serving hot breakfast and hot lunches. I know I got to keep the agents happy, and the reason and a way to do that is through their bellies. But let me just tell you very briefly what this business planning session is. We're going to go through 3 different models. We're going to go through the economic model, and during that model, we're going to discuss how many people you need to talk to in order to realize your profits. We're going to talk conversion rates. We're going to talk expenses. We're going to talk about so many different variations to help you clearly understand what it takes in order for you to get to your desired profit. Then we're going to move into the lead generation model. The lead generation model is basically going to tell you, based on the findings of your economic model, how many people do you need in your database, and what are some of the systems that you're going to incorporate during the lead generation model to make sure that, again, your desired profit is realized. Once we determine how many people and what are the steps and the measures and the strategies that you're going to implement to get to that lead generation system, we're going to move into the budget. We're going to talk about red light, green light. We're going to talk about how to set up appropriate budgets. We're going to talk about how to make sure that you not only establish your budgets for each and every single one of the things that you want to accomplish in 2019, but more importantly, to hold those budgets and those expenses accountable. We're going to teach you different ways and different methods to hold all of those expenses measurable, and we're going to help you track it. In addition to that, we're going to have breakout sessions where we are going to have individual and group exercises so that you can really hear and collaborate with other agents within the team. You're going to hear from agents that are earning $50,000 to those that are earning over $300,000 this year. Those that are brand new to real estate and those that have more experience in real estate than you and I put together. It's going to be a sounding board. It's going to allow you to really network, masterminding with some of the Lee County's best agents. All of that from 8 to 5 at the Westin on November 8th. And again, this is my personal invitation. I hope that you can join us. I guarantee that it will be the best business planning session you've ever attended.